Horizontal milling machine. The milling machine is a machine tool in the manufacturing process that is commonly used in machine workshop. For example, it is usually used to cut flat surface and work on irregular surface. It has several types, one of which is a horizontal milling machine. The type of milling machine has the main part, function, and working principle. The main part of the horizontal milling machine are the arbor, spindle, table machine, saddle, knee, and column, and has used among others. The arbor is plugged in to the spindle machine. It is used to hold a cutter tool. The machine table is a place to put a workpiece or workpiece holder. The table of the milling machine can be moved to the right or left. Saddle work as an intermediate component of the knee and the machine table. Saddle move the engine table in the transverse direction. The knee is a milling machine component that support the saddle and the machine table. Knee set with threaded shaft. The threaded shaft can adjust the knee height. Column is a support for milling machine component and the place to store oil as a lubrication for the spindle. The function of the horizontal milling machine to for a plane on an object that becomes the work object of the machine. Examples are used for working flat surface, forming growers, and forming gear. In cutting power comes from the electric motor. Then the main motion is transmitted through the transmission to produce a rotation motion in the milling machine spindle. The workpiece is clamped in a machine face, after which it is clamped to the milling machine table. Will the workpiece move horizontally or slowly across the way toward the milling knife? The caution is working principle of horizontal milling machine. Cutting is a cut or it the workpiece use a multi-point cutter tool draw a spindle shaft driven by a electric motor rotation. The workpiece is clamped in a face machine, after which it is clamped to the milling machine table. The horizontal milling machine can be used to workpiece on flat surface, forming growers and gear well. Thank you.